Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add numbers in Excel. I have this small table here, and I want to add the numbers from column A and column B together. First, click on the first cell in column C where we want to display the result. Type equals, then hold the Control key and click on the first cell in column A. Next, type plus, then hold Control again and click on the first cell in column B. Press Enter, and as you can see, the two numbers have been added together. Now, to apply the same formula to the rest of the rows, select the cell containing the result and move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the cursor changes, click and drag the small handle down to the end of the column. As you can see, Excel automatically adjusts the formula and adds the numbers for each row. Now, let's calculate the total of an entire column. Click on the cell below column A, then type equals sum. Next, click on the first cell in the column, hold the Shift key, and click on the last cell you want to include, then press Enter. As you can see, the entire column has now been summed. Finally, you can drag the formula across the other columns to calculate the total for the entire table. And that's it. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.